This video will change the way you eat rice. You can reduce the amount of calories in your bowl of rice by up to 88% if you implement the second trick. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button below the video and enable notifications so you don't miss my future uploads on weight loss and how I maintain a healthy weight. What's the difference between this plate A and this plate B? They look the same, right? That's because I zoomed in so much on plate B to fill up the screen, and that made it look exactly the same as plate A. Yes, we already know that one of the ways to reduce the amount of food we eat, thereby cutting down on calories, is to serve our food with a smaller plate. If you usually serve your food with plate A, you can cut down on calories simply by serving your food with plate B, and you will still feel full. Yes, that's because feeling full is more psychological than physical. Plate B contains half the quantity of food in plate A, but the important thing is that your eyes see that plate B is full. It does not matter which plate you're using. The eyes send the full plate message to the brain, and the brain tells the stomach, "Yeah, I see a full plate. You must be full by the time I finish eating this meal," whether you like it or not. Another way to create a full effect in your stomach is by combining foods that contain large amounts of calories with foods that contain less calories. We do this every day with our meals, even without knowing it. This second trick is more effective when the food that contains less calories looks very much like the food that contains large amounts of calories. Let's illustrate this with rice. Instead of cooking 2 cups of rice for dinner today, I'll cook 1 cup of rice and add a low-calorie food that looks like rice. That low-calorie food is cauliflower. You can use any ratio of cauliflower to white rice. To get the cauliflower to look like rice grains, simply grate florets of cauliflower like this, and you will get cauliflower rice. Cook the rice normally, and when it's almost done, add the cauliflower rice. Can you see how it looks exactly like the rice? Continue cooking till all the water dries up. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? What are you waiting for? There you have it, a bowl of rice that contains less calories that will make you feel as full as when you eat the same bowl of just rice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Would you be preparing rice this way going forward? Let me know in the comments. Bye bye, see you soon.